This Century 21 Armstrong Team Realty property video is presented by Mario Hernandez. Well-maintained home on a corner lot, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and a car garage. Split floor plan. In-ground pool with a screened enclosure. Granite countertops. New roof installed 2020. Ceramic tile and laminated floors. Property is fenced. Newer windows. Enclosed porch with ceramic tile. Storage room next to the pool. Relax on the 20 by 10 open porch overlooking the pool. There is also an 18 by 14 concrete patio. Convenient location close to shopping and restaurants. Easy access to I-4. Oversized driveway. For more information, review the details below or contact Mario Hernandez at